Looking for the best espresso machines to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Breville Oracle Jet. Sometimes the upgrade pick is the pick. The Breville Oracle Jet is the espresso machine of the moment, the one that best threads the delicate needle between ease and deliciousness. It's a powerful and frankly beautiful stainless steel machine, with sterling temperature control and a solid built-in grinder that uses the same conical burrs as the excellent Barista Encore ESP, $200. This Oracle Jet will pull beautiful nuances from beans ranging from berry light to chocolate dark, on drinks ranging from Americano to flat white to cold espresso best placed in a martini. And yet the Jet's easily accessible for anyone who can figure out an iPhone, with a touchscreen tutorial, digital guidance on finding the right grind for each bean, and automatic tamping and steaming. You'll be nose deep in a cappuccino within 20 minutes of pulling this thing out of the box. For that, the price is not in every budget. Note, too, that manual milk steaming with the Jet's powerful wand is still better than the automatic version. But Lord, this machine makes delicious cups. And the cups come without me trying very hard. It hasn't left my counter since it arrived. Specs. Type semi-automatic. Dimensions 15 inches by 14.5 inches by 16.75 inches, height. Weight 27 pounds. Heating system, pump dual thermojet, instant warm-up, rotary pump. Material brushed stainless steel. Grinder and hopper conical, M2 Etzinger burrs, 45 grind settings, 12-ounce bean hopper capacity. Water reservoir 77 ounces, removable. Steam wand automatic or manual, auto purge, steamed, latte, or cappuccino foam. Other features: touchscreen, 8 espresso drink options, barista guidance on grind, accessory storage behind drip tray, 58mm non-pressurized portafilter, PID temperature control. Warranty 2 years. Number 4. Breville Bambino. The Bambino is little, fast, low-cost, and convenient, the width of a $1 bill. There are no apparent frills and no grinder, just a steam wand for silky milk and a choice between single or double shots. But look under the hood of this $300 beauty and you'll note features that are hallmarks of much more expensive machines: a thermoblock for immediate heating and a PID, proportional, integral, derivative, temperature controller that makes for consistent brew temps usually out of reach at this price range. Which is to say, it's a wee machine that pulls far above its weight class. Pair your Bambino with a good mid-level grinder and you'll be making beautiful cups with counter space to spare. Note the Bambino comes with pressurized portafilter baskets by default, which are easy to use but make less nuanced coffee. When you're ready to level up, the non-pressurized baskets don't cost much and are more finicky but will give you a chance at more interesting cups. Upgrade: the Breville Bambino Plus, $500, is hardier and slightly bigger and offers automatic milk frothing. Specs. Type Classic. Dimensions 7.75 inch by 12.5 inch x, 12.75 inch, height. Weight 11 pounds. Heating system, pump thermoblock, instant heat up, vibratory pump. Material stainless steel and plastic. Grinder and hopper nope. Separate grinder, as is traditional. Water reservoir 48 ounces. Steam wand steamed, latte, or cappuccino foam. Other features: pressure gauge, PID temperature control, 54mm pressurized portafilter. Warranty 1 year. Number 3. Rancilio Silvia M. The Rancilio Silvia Pro is one of Wired's longtime favorite dual boiler espresso machines, packed with pro-level features and built to last seemingly forever, with few plastic parts. For far less than half the price, there's the Silvia M, the sleek, smaller footprint, single boiler cousin. What's the diff? There'll be a little bit more lag time between shots, if multiple people want espresso immediately. But you'll get that same high-quality metal build, and consistent water temp and steam pressure. This means well-extracted, cafe-grade espresso. Note that the Silvia is notoriously sensitive, so it's not for beginners. It's also famously long-lasting, reparable, and able to be endlessly modified, and so it's birthed its own society of cult devotees. Just like buying a Land Cruiser or a Jeep, you'll end up with new friends. And if people online are to be believed, a lot of the OG Silvias have been chugging along for literal decades. Specs. Type Classic. Dimensions 13.75 inches by 9.25 inches by 11 inches, height. Weight 30 pounds. Heating system, pump single boiler, 3.5 minute warm-up, 15 bar vibratory pump. Material stainless steel. Grinder and hopper nope. Separate grinder, as is traditional. Water reservoir 67 ounces. Steam 1 steamed, latte, or cappuccino foam. Other features: pressure gauge, PID temperature control, 58 mm unpressurized portafilter. Warranty 2 years. Number 2. Breville Barista Express. The Barista Express had been our top pick for years, a Goldilocks pick among price, versatility, and performance. It remains among the most popular espresso machines in the world for good reason. The Barista Express produces consistent pressure for espresso, its steam wand is excellent, and the built-in grinder makes it an all-in-one device. Its mostly metal construction, easy cleaning, and other thoughtful touches make it a faithful companion. Wired reviewer Julian Chakadu has been using one with no issues for half a decade. But competitors have taken direct aim at the Express with impressive semi-automatic entries like the Ninja Luxe Café Premier, $599, and the Deloni La Specialista Opera, $900. Each of these offers more options, including cold espresso, with similar grind quality. For now, the Barista Express's long reliability keeps it on top as we keep testing durability on the Ninja and Deloni. But in the meantime, I wouldn't be sad to see the Barista Express updated to better Baratza burrs. Specs. Type semi-automatic. Dimensions 13.8 inches by 12.5 inches by 15.9 inches, height. Weight 22 pounds. Heating system, pump thermocoil, instant warm-up, vibratory pump. Material brushed stainless steel. Grinder and hopper conical, 16 grind settings, 8 ounces. Water reservoir 67 ounces, removable. Steam 1 steamed, latte, or cappuccino foam. Other features: accessory storage behind drip tray, water hardness calibration, water filter, pressure gauge, PID temperature control. Warranty 1 year. Number 1. Diletta Mio Espresso Machine. A classic espresso machine rewards effort with nuance and beauty. And the Diletta Mio is everything a classic Italian-made espresso machine should be. It's compact, stylish, built to last, and brews circles around the competition. It's also a simple joy to use, wrote former Wired reviewer Jana Gray. It feels a bit analog, like an heirloom quality stand mixer, but also sports sophisticated features like a PID, proportional integral derivative, temperature controller, a wee processor with an algorithm that keeps brew temperature stable. Among traditional espresso machines that require a separate grinder, this is the one Wired recommends. Upgrade. Wired's upgrade pick, the Diletta Bello, $1,829, is for advanced beanheads who love a sensitive machine. On the Bello, every difference makes a difference. Every micron of grind size, or slight gradation of tamping pressure, will produce a different cup of espresso. But when you've dialed in your bean, the Bello is beautifully faithful, offering shot after shot of caramelly crema and rich espresso. Specs. Type Classic. Dimensions 9.5 inches by 13 inches by 11 inches, height. Weight 22 pounds. Heating system, pump single boiler for brewing, thermoblock for steaming, 6-minute warm-up, vibratory pump. Material stainless steel exterior, brass boiler. Grinder and hopper nope. Separate grinder, as is traditional. Water reservoir 67 ounces. Steam 1 steamed, latte, or cappuccino foam. Other features: pressure gauge, PID temperature control, 58 mm unpressurized portafilter. Warranty 1 year.